Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Adrita Ghosh. Currently, I'm pursuing my degree from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Computer Science and Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about use of waste plastic in road construction. So let's get started. Let's discuss about what are advantages of using waste plastic as modifier in binder. Higher resistance to deformation, higher resistance to water-induced damages, increased durability and improved fatigue life, improved stability and strength, environment-friendly solution for disposal of waste plastic. Moving to the next slide, methods of use of waste plastic in road constructions. As per IRCSP 98, there are two processes for addition of waste plastic to bituminous mixes in road constructions. Dry process waste plastic is added in appropriate physical form to hot aggregates. This process is being used in NH projects. Wet process waste plastic in powder or other suitable form is blended with bitumen to produce modified bitumen not being used due to quality issues. Consideration for use of waste plastic in road constructions. The waste plastic shall be shredded to have plastics shredded size ranging between 2.36 micrometer and 600 microns with a maximum length of 2.36 micrometer and the maximum width of 2 micrometer. Dust and other impurities measured in terms of ash content shall not be more than 1% as per IS 14535 1998. For satisfactory coating of the aggregates and mixing with hot bitumen, the melting point temperature of the plastic materials measured as per ASTM D71381632 shall be less than 170 degrees centigrade. Thermoplastic materials are likely to emit gases or may undergo thermal degradation to temperatures higher than 180 degrees centigrade. It's essential to ensure that the waste plastic is not heated to more than 180 degrees centigrade temperature under any circumstance. So, what are the precautions during road constructions with bitumen mixed with waste plastic? Safety marks. Safety marks to all workers in HMP and any laying site. Waste plastic bituminous mix with oversized plastic should be rejected. Care should be taken to ensure HDPE and LDPE only in the waste plastic. Waste plastic, when heated to high temperature, causes air pollution and microplastic pollution through run of water, contaminating soil and water bodies, and the environment effects. Therefore, care should be taken to handle the material in judicious manner to ensure strict temperature control the mixing and heating. Okay, use of waste plastic in NH works. Approximately 1 ton of waste plastic is consumed in 1 kilometer of road constructions. About 2,900 kilometer of NH length has been constructed using waste plastic. Further innovation are in progress in conversion of waste hard not hard non recyclable plastic to polymer aggregates. power block from West plastic screen from municipal landfill has been developed in laboratory. So these are some pictures of NH constructed with plastic waste. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and comment. So thank you.